Hi there! Today I'll show you how to connect an RSS feed to your social media platforms using Circleboom Publish. Let's get started. First, log in to Circleboom Publish. On the left-hand menu, click on Connect a new RSS feed. This is where you'll manage both new and existing feeds. Next, select the social media accounts where you want to publish your RSS content. You can choose one or multiple accounts, paste your RSS feed URL, give it a custom name, and add optional begin with or end with phrases. This step is not mandatory, but it can help your automated posts sound more natural and personalized. After that, you can define posting rules. For example, whether to include the URL, title, body text, or photo in each post. Then set how often Circleboom should check the feed for new content. You'll also choose the maximum number of posts to share per update. So, if you set it to 3, Circleboom will share up to 3 new items every time it checks your feed. When everything looks good, just click Add RSS Feed and you're done. Circleboom will now automatically pull new content from your RSS feed and post it to all your selected platforms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and strategies. Happy Circlebooming!